Hey, Bruce Gilson here with Event Tech AV, and I'm bringing you a little behind the scenes episode, something that we don't normally do. And if you are a part of our channel, you normally know what we're up to. We do AV integration, AV install videos of like how to put the systems together. But we're gonna start adding to the channel. And so if you're new, this is a perfect time for you to subscribe because there's gonna be lots of new content coming out this year. We're gonna start doing some unboxing videos. We're gonna be talking about what's cool about it, why we picked it, how it integrates into a bigger system, which is a big part for us, how to run it. We'll give you some tips and tricks. But right now, you got a little behind the scenes look as we are building out this new studio. You know, we've been doing this for a long time, and we started having some stuff kind of collect on the shelves, and I kind of put my brain together and I thought, why don't we take some of the stuff off the shelves and build a studio? So a lot of the pieces in here are stuff that we had, but we also had to go through our own process of picking products, which was kind of unique for us. We don't buy a whole lot of stuff for ourselves, so that was kind of exciting. So we're gonna talk about that too in some upcoming videos. We're gonna talk about some new products that we chose. This is a USB device for audio to get audio into our computer. This is gonna be an interesting one. We'll do an unboxing video on this and we'll talk about why we picked this, but this is a lighting controller, the WM-X1 by ADJ. This is for DJs. Why did we pick that for our studio? That might not make sense to a lot of people. We're gonna talk about that, and we'll also do more information about that specific controller. We picked the SM7B Shure podcast microphone, tried and true industry standard for podcasting, but we can do some A/B testing. We can let you know why this might be the right product for you. So we've got that. We've got some Shure wireless that we decided to put into our studio. So this is the SLX-D. We've also got some Chauvet lighting, the new PAR Q9. We've got the new, the Color Band T3 BT-ILS, BT standing for Bluetooth. Okay, what does that mean? What is a Bluetooth light? Well, we're gonna find out, and that's gonna be just a little tip of the iceberg of some new videos that are gonna be hitting the channel for you. So, this is the time. Make sure you stay notified by staying subscribed so that you get the information for the things that are coming up, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.
Then we throw network switch into the rack. We hook this up network, computer up network. We hook up this audio device, which I'm going to talk about in a minute, to the network. We put the constellation on the network. We could sit up here. Yeah, this thing is super secure now. So
it's a long pole.
it's a little behind the scenes stuff here, but when you're working on a multi-display, even when you're working on just a single display mounted on the wall, but especially multi-display, you want to think about where you want all of your service to be, and you want to try to favor your devices into one spot. So we're going to have 3 displays here, and I'm getting everything for all 3 displays in one center section. So then when it comes to service, we slide this screen, we slide that screen, and then all the gears right here. So that's the idea. The reason it's a mess right now, first just hooked it all up and tested it. Make sure that it's working. I don't like making it all beautiful and pretty, and it looks fantastic, and then I go to test it and I've got a problem and I gotta undo all my work. So that's kind of why it's a mess at the moment, and hopefully it'll look better when we get done with it here.
just to show Bruce isn't lying, I put that one up and didn't listen to a whole lot of what he said. Stabbed myself there, almost put that in backwards. So yeah, I decided to follow what he's doing. Taping up my stuff, actually swedging them correctly. Yeah, he doesn't do any kind of bald-faced lies unless I said that correctly. There we go. Bruce is right. Don't forget it. Another reason why I'm taping these now is because when I'm working here, I get stabbed over here. And of course, I've been up and down this ladder several times, and look, I've dropped this. I don't have anything with pockets on. I'm going down the ladder again. Come with me.
What video is this?
I have no idea. Some BTS junk. I've dropped something again. I don't know where it went. Pockets, people. All right, there they are. They're all hung up. Probably took about twice as long with the amount of times I went up and down a ladder, but now I know why we listen to Bruce. Bruce put some TVs in. It's gonna look sick.
Make sure that we need to check the color temperature on them. They're close.
We're gonna have monitor, keyboard, switcher, audio, computer, multi-view for all the fun stuff happening out there. Okay guys, look. We're doing some SDI. And Bruce's video actually works because this is like one of my first times doing this. Well, I've done it before, but not correctly. So this is the first time we're actually doing it correctly, and it's actually working out. Like I've already done, look at that, completed end. Labeled and shrank and everything. Getting that cable end all prepped and ready to go. And definitely using the correct tools is the way to go, because it's actually working out. And right in there, smoosh it. So yeah, if you haven't watched any of the tutorials, go check them out. Got stuff on all kinds of terminating, BNC stuff for SDI cables, network cables, even some of the more unheard of ones like captive screw. I had not heard of that until I filmed Bruce doing it, so just how much I know about cables. But yup, the right tool, the right job. Gonna stick the end in. And compress it down. Make sure it fits. Look at that, we're good. Now we can stick our label on. Label. Cool. I've already slipped on some shrink, so don't forget that, because then you'll have to re-terminate. There we go. I think we're good. We'll test it later, but I did it. I can count how many times I've done this on one hand, and all the first ones are fails because I didn't know the proper way. Easy peasy now. All right, it's the end of the day. We got everything on the rack all plugged in and powered on. Most of it anyway. We've got that studio ready to go. We're getting this space ready for the station where we'll be able to cut things together and switch stuff and control cameras. Almost there. Yes, it's getting cleaner and cleaner. All right, everything's hooked in on the PC side anyway. Still gotta get a card so that way all the cameras that are gonna be out there, well, and that camera, can run into a switcher, which is non-existent at the moment, can get put into there so we can stream it and record it. Yeah. Table's in place. Now just gotta clean it.
Like the table?
Yeah.
I mopped the floors this morning.
It looks shiny. It looks good. Whoa, guys, look at that. It's coming together. It's almost done. We've got these lights all set up. I added one right there because we needed a little bit extra. And yeah, we got the GoPro hanging up there. That will be replaced with the G2, but that's there for now. And yeah, look at this. We even got our station set up. Nothing's on it right now because we are missing a switcher. And we are missing the SDI card to go in that. But that should be here in a day or two. All right, the last thing we needed came in. Bruce overnighted these because we didn't realize that the capture card we got was micro BNC, and so we need to convert that to regular BNC. So we're gonna go attach those to the back of the computer, and we should be in business. Got those screens hooked up. You excited?
I am excited. I am excited.
All right, we are rolling. First test of the new studio. Hello, test 1, 2. Yeah. How do I look? Do I look good? Do I look profesh? If I talk about this, would you be interested? It's not up yet, but it'll go there, and one will go there, and then we'll have another light there. Or how about this? Would you be interested? Click the link, like, subscribe. Fix my hair for me, please. Okay, bye. It's looking good. We're basically there. I'm so excited. We're basically ready to shoot our first unboxing. Gonna get a G2. Yep. It's gonna go up there, replace the GoPro. But yeah, first official unboxing is gonna be soon. Getting it?
Yeah. Hey, for those of you watching at home, make sure you watch our video on is HDMI directional, because this one is.
All right, we just finished shooting. First one.
This is cool. I'm really excited. Like, it's really inspirational to have a space that you go, you know what, I can create in that space. I can do something that it has tons of potential, and that it's yours. You get to just do something exciting. So I'm excited about it. The guy behind the camera, his name's Jonathan, and
Hi.
I've been telling him he better be excited about it too, because it really opens a lot of doors for just what this channel can do, what we can do as creatives. And I'm looking forward to seeing what we produce out of this place. And I think the first video was not too terribly shabby. I was actually pretty excited about the way it all came together. I think it looks beautiful on camera. And so, good things are ahead. That's what I gotta say.
Agreed. Yep.